Hi, I'm Matt Bamforth, consultant with STL Partners, and I'm here with Phil Laidler, one of our directors. We're going to discuss the findings from our recent research into CSPs' approach to cloud-native networking. Phil, what would you say were the main findings from the research?
Thanks, Matt. I'd say there are two main findings. The first finding is that operators broadly agree on the definition of cloud-native networking and its applicability to networks. The second finding is that there are differences, and the differences are primarily in their views about how cloud-native networking is going to actually be implemented in practice. And fundamentally, we see one group who expect to implement cloud-native networking very much as IT cloud-native implementations, which is all about getting into the code, taking on the ownership and control, and driving sort of traditional development processes. And another group who expects to deploy it much in the same way as they deploy networking today.
So that sounds like operators want the benefits of cloud-native practices, such as flexibility at scale, while also keeping the existing operating model. Would you say this is realistic?
I don't think so, at least not in the short term. I think initially, at least, operators are going to need to take on a bit more ownership and accountability to construct and test and deploy end-to-end services. Things will get more assembly-like. It'll be easier for them to just take things out of the box and deploy them over time. But there's a bit of a catch-22 because by the time that technology has matured, it's probably starting to become obsolete. So if the competition has adopted the other approach, then they're going to get left behind.
Phil, thanks for that overview. To find out more or to download our report and join us for our webinar on February the 24th, where we will be joined by operators for a panel discussion to debate these questions further, please see the links below.